If you knew that one single sentence could make her heart beat faster and remain in her thoughts for years, would you still rely on empty comments like, "You look pretty," or "nice outfit"? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's topic, let me ask you for a quick favor. If this content helps you understand a little more about what goes on inside a woman's mind, I'd really appreciate your support with a like or a subscription. It only takes a few seconds, and it helps more men discover this kind of insight. I also have a question for you. Which city are you watching this video from? I always enjoy reading your comments and seeing where everyone is joining us from. It helps us build a stronger community. Most men don't realize just how powerful their words can truly be. They often assume attraction is mostly about appearance, money, or status. But the reality is actually quite different. What creates the strongest impact is how you make her feel. And here's the important part. One of the most overlooked tools you have is a well-delivered compliment. Think about that for a moment. Have you ever noticed how a woman's entire mood can shift because of something someone said to her? One sentence, delivered at the right moment and with the right intention, can completely change the way she looks at you. Not just for a few seconds, but in a way that can remain with her. Today, you're going to discover 8 compliments that go much deeper than the surface. These aren't simply lines or artificial forms of flattery designed to make you appear needy. These are thoughtful, psychologically meaningful compliments that connect with something deeper, making her feel noticed, respected, and genuinely attracted on another level. And here's the unfiltered truth. If you're constantly throwing generic compliments around like candy, "You're cute, nice outfit, you look great," you simply become another guy, someone who's incredibly easy to forget. But once you understand self-control, intention, and the meaning behind your words, you begin to realize something important. The power isn't just in what you say. It's also in how you say it, and more importantly, in what your words make her feel. So, if you're ready to level up, stand out, and leave a genuine impression, keep listening. Compliment number 1. That fragrance you're wearing is amazing. It's almost addictive. The sense of smell is one of the strongest triggers connected to memory and emotion. A particular scent can instantly transport someone back to a specific moment in their life. When you compliment her fragrance, you're not simply telling her that she smells good. You're communicating something deeper. You're saying, "Your presence stays with me even after you're gone," and that can create a powerful impact. Compliment number 2, your smile can light up any room. This isn't simply about her lips or her teeth. It's about the energy and emotion she gives off. You're recognizing her presence and the effect she has on the people and the environment around her. Compliment number 3, I really like how genuine you are. You don't try to fit in. You just stay true to yourself. In a world filled with people constantly trying to pretend or conform to certain expectations, authenticity naturally stands out. This compliment moves beyond physical appearance and speaks directly to who she really is. Compliment number 4, I like the way you see things. Your perspective is different. It makes me think. Now you're connecting with her mind. You're recognizing that she has her own unique way of looking at the world, and you're acknowledging her depth. That makes the interaction feel much more meaningful. Compliment number 5, your energy is amazing. It actually makes me want to become better. This represents a much deeper level of appreciation. You're not simply telling her that you like her. You're telling her that something about her inspires you and motivates you to improve yourself. Compliment number 6, you're really thoughtful. It's clear that you genuinely care about other people. Here, you're recognizing her character. This isn't the kind of compliment she probably hears every single day, and that's exactly what makes it stand out even more. Compliment number 7, I admire how focused you are. Your determination is inspiring. This highlights qualities such as discipline, ambition, and determination. These are traits that are often deeply connected to a person's identity and sense of self. Compliment number 8. You have a special way of making people feel comfortable and valued. This recognizes her emotional intelligence and her ability to create genuine connections with the people around her. You're pointing out something deeper than physical appearance and showing that you notice how she affects others. And there you have it. 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't simply words. They're tools that can help build connection, respect, and genuine attraction.